Restoring a company in the BVI? If your company was qualified as an existing struck-off company, meaning that it was struck off before January 1st, 2023, and it was not restored by June 30, 2023, a significant change applies. From July 1st, 2023, if your company wasn't restored in the registry, it has been deemed to be dissolved by operation of law. Additionally, your registered agent has been deemed to have resigned. To restore an existing struck-off company that was dissolved on July 1st, 2023, the company must now submit an application to the BVI courts and provide evidence that it is just and fair to restore the company. Be mindful that companies must fulfill all KYC and corporate documents requirements prior to its restoration and reappointment of the registered agent. Be prepared for financial implications. Besides license fees, surcharges, restoration, and legal fees, penalties may be imposed on the company.